$500 per contract in 11 days. Then I mean,
yeah, you don't got to catch the whole thing.
What if you would have told Tops that for a house account, buy or sell 100 loads, millions in no time at all, without ever
maybe we're just looking at the wrong market to put a big trade on. Jack, you're back there. Let's mark that down. We're going to start trading 50 lots in the greens. I'm joking, of course. We'd have to have a serious conversation about that, but
I'm already in.
Jackson, all right. I was counting short. How's Hoop doing back there? We got Coach Hoop.
Doing all right, listening in.
Let's bring him in.
Here we go. We got the three of us there.
Hi, Coach Hoops.
We got Coach Hoop.
How are we doing, Jack?
Good.
Raiders.
You guys are talking corn.
I just got in.
1977, being at the Board of Trade with my mom as tractors went down the street in front of the Board of Trade. Remember that, Jack?
Yeah.
So I'm going to remove copy trading.
So my family ran a farm for 50 plus years
copy
in
trading.
Central Illinois.
So
really?
Yeah, down in
we are back
to Illinois.
We are
so yeah, I grew up around corn and beans and all that fun stuff.
Risk.
Yeah.
Risk and 76 profit.
At 10 years old, you probably know
we
more
are
than
going
the president
to
of Harvard does about the corn market.
Yeah, I'm actually, and I share that at
Okay, I was looking at this and I got in on this. I like it a lot.
In the fields of
since I have conviction,
got chiggers,
I'm going to go in with 5. Join 5.
Order filled.
So we're in with 5.
I think we discount how big of a market both soybeans and corn are. They're beasts. And they're just not as sexy as the NASDAQ.
This one.
When you came to the market after, your life on a farm, and you come and you meet all these old-time Greeks and Italians and Jews, and they're all 5 foot tall, to be, and they all know the well, they were just marvelous, just like the old farmers.
Yeah.
So back to why I went in here long and with 5 instead of 3. 1.
And farmers only knew how to
There is the purple.
I used to laugh because
no, this is not it. The purple. Oh my God.
Order filled.
Oh, we already made the money. $75. See, this is my first trade sim since getting back from lunch. So now we tested the waters times 3. This is my first trade for the afternoon, $75. See, right here, the hour. 1333. 1333 right here. 133, 1333. So we got that down. Now let's go in again with 5.
Order filled.
5. What does that mean? 5. 5 contracts, and we just need to make. Crap. With 5 contracts, this is 22 right here. We got in at 15. So with 5 contracts, I only need to make 7 points. Let's say 8 points to make $75.
And exactly what you said.
Of course, the risk is different. It's more because look at 250 will be where? Right here at 390. All right, we are at 409, 390. We're risking. Actually, let's make it easier. We can do it from 390. 390 to 415. That's 25 points that I give wave to. 25 points.
Yes, Jack is familiar.
To make 75. And here we go. Boom. 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 Come on. Boom. Can you hear it? Boom.
Not too far from Russian division.
You see that even 7 points is hard to get.
let's check in on the market real quick.
And it goes all the way back. Okay, this is the scary part. When you see red over here. But have no fear. I know now that I know that it got close to here, I can even add 2. 1, 2. So when will I add? Look at that, 100 and change lower. Yeah, if
they're trading bonds again.
This is scary.
A little movement higher. Same with
very scary having these red numbers. But don't play that. Play here. The other thing we're gonna do.
A little support.
Let's see data. Dollar.
And Bitcoin, yeah. You guys are trading these markets.
Chart display
type. Grains quite a bit. My dad's the guy that puts the daily levels for corn and
privacy
together on your top step daily levels page.
Privacy, yeah.
Right now,
privacy.
You'll see Coach Jack's corn and soybean levels, and you'll see Coach Hoop's Bitcoin levels.
Privacy, privacy. Oh, nothing there.
If you want to get into
miscellaneous here, large.
We've got your
super large.
Yeah. Gold officially settled.
Audio pack hug.
Official settlement time for
default. I don't know what default.
Order filled.
Order filled. See how fast that is? Just like that. Ba-boom. That's my second trade. 461. Now we should just look.
Drifting a little bit lower right now.
Okay, very good. It got here. So now let's do the J. What is the J? Coach J Fibonacci. Which is right here.
You want to keep talking?
Oh, I'll keep listening if it's okay.
Actually, I got this wrong.
Let
me see if I can. Let me see if I can change
you guys
it.
Met yet? What's your schedule to meet this week?
We'll meet tonight.
Right there.
I do Saturday things, just because it's kind of away from the markets, and sometimes it's easier for kind of learn that one from Jay. Sometimes it's good and bad. It's also family time too, but
we're gonna do it from here.
You seen a lot of participation?
Let's see how he behaves. It looks like this little rally is gonna take a little back door.
Part of the month.
Little back door.
You know, a lot of people got resets to start the month. I think
6 minutes to go.
I'll snip this and so you guys can share it for Power Hour. But
Renko charts, regular candlesticks, Heikinachi candles 15. My the chart that has the most point of control. We're coming back to the point of control. Easy peasy right here. 32-ish.
In Discord, you know, one thing I've learned, and I share this, is that, and I think Jack probably go with this too, is that don't ever lose your sense of humor in this business, because this business will humble you like no other. So don't lose your sense of humor. And I kid and joke and chat and stuff like that, because, you know, what's the other side? You know, tirades. I mean, so, and that's how I tell the guys to do it too, is, you know, share what's going on, share your levels. If you're struggling, you know, just, that's what this, you know, our room's for, is just to share what's going on, you know. I just had a couple traders reach out, and, you know, they reached out about the volatility yesterday. And
there it is. Point of control reach. Will it reject it or it will continue? My advice is that it may continue.
You know,
look at all these orders. 32, 32, 17, 20, 10. At 22, what is it here? 39.
Very true. Very true.
39, yeah, 39, sorry. 39 right here.
Looking at the Pit Raiders squad right now. Like sitting in third place. Total balance across all 41 traders in those trading combines right now, $31,433 in profits for the Pit Raiders. 6.2% win rate, 136 total resets for the team.
So I just
9
go like this.
Pass through the trading
I see this,
combine.
and then I can adjust.
We're doing a little different this season.
Adjust.
Season 2, your pass rate includes combine resets. Before it was just,
it should be that.
You had 50 traders and one passed, so I mean, that was your when you your win rate. Now we're including all resets across the team, so it's a little more accurate when it comes to that win rate. But nice job sitting in third place. Any traders
So let's see what
in
we got.
particular standing out
See,
to you?
we keep
Who's
going.
making all the right moves?
We
Making
are
all the wrong moves?
accepting the 40s already.
I think
little by little. Yep. Look at that. Green, green all the way. Let's go.
That are in
times 3. We do
I don't
here. We go
necessarily
here.
know
We
if
go
it's
here.
When I say
We
you know, putting a
go
P&L
to
more as
the
you know, depending on
what is
a
that gear
lot of these
icon
traders
there?
don't have a lot of time in the
76.
markets.
Boom, boom, boom.
So I think
We go to
soaking
copy.
in, you know,
Yes, we want to copy.
whether
Yes,
it's
we want to
I'm
go.
sharing
We want to
something,
copy.
whether,
We want to do
I
it.
love what you and
Boom.
Hogue do in the morning
Changes.
because
Bam.
that just, you know, the bell used to ring
Done.
at 7:20. You know, when
So
we walked
now
on the floor.
we have the
So,
leader with
my head
180.
always resonates
We
with
have
that
the follower
because,
with
you know, that's just, you know, we kind of got our
we have the
pre-market
leader for
stuff ding, the currency's
461
opened,
and we have the follower with
but
180.
it's kind of how
Okay,
traders,
so
you
let's
know,
see
that
what
I
we're gonna
like
do.
get in Discord
How we're gonna do this?
and
What's
you know,
going on?
get in there and
We
just
look
talk
at
about
Heikinashi. HA.
once again,
HA.
I think
What's going
market
on?
state
Are
is
we
probably
rejecting
the biggest
this?
thing that I talk
Why?
about. You hear, I mean, that's kind
So
of an old school.
let's
I
see.
think,
Nothing
you know,
here.
You hear Hogue talk about it, and
Oh my god. Oh my god.
just
oh,
you know, we went
this.
from up
crap.
and to the right to where we are now in 7 days.
So we put this here.
The traders who adapt to that
right there, and we only
quicker,
gonna have
tend to take less beatings.
oh, let's see
I
what
guess is what I would say. That's the only way I can
what
say
is
it,
the
you know,
deal
nicely.
in
You know,
top
they
steps.
stay patient.
So
wait
we
for their
have
setup.
ES long
If it doesn't look
from
right, they,
5806. We have
I mean,
long NQ from
I couldn't do it. I'll
2406.
just be straight up.
We
I
have
spent too much
long
time.
crude
I spent too much time,
6777.
and, you know,
This
Jack, I'm from. I started in.
I don't want to talk over you. Let's start again. Long ES average 5807. Long NQ average 2408. Long crude oil average 6777, and gold short from 2920. 2920. Okay, so next time I'm just gonna do flat, whatever is closer to the whole number, just so you know. Oh, I gotta go like this, I think. Yep. And this, man, how can I get rid of that?
Responsive presence instead of reacting from old patterns or anticipating future scenarios.
54 printed. Let's go long. Let's go long. Let's do this. Bam. Where are we? 3. Why 3? Antonio, why? Because 3, this way I can measure like this here. Watch. My trace. When you see that 70, 76, 72, 75, 75, those are the ones that I take with measure with the standard entry. All right? Oh, sorry.
I know crude oil was the popular product for a long time. That was a little before my time here at Top Step, but there's some.
Well, and I didn't realize gold started at the C. I mean, once again, I started the CME in '89. I didn't.
Oh man, I need a new mouse. Anybody wants to donate a new mouse to Antonio Valentin, please, by all means.
I didn't realize
this
know,
mouse
that it was a CME
is
product,
a
with
game
Maury
killer.
Kravitz and all. I mean, I didn't. That was a little before my time.
It was actually a bag of gold coins that they traded, 100 Krugerrands or gold dollars. They were actually the gold coins, which were very deliverable. A lot of guys took
We are starting a new candle. The 15-minute new candle is starting at or be above the point of control.
Left Chicago.
The idea is for it to go down first and then go up.
The firm I worked for, we did commodities, securities, and
three.
They sold gold and silver. And I'm like, what? I'm like, he goes, yeah, you're in the wild, wild west now. You know, they had a safe. They sold eagles.
We are.
And I'm like, okay. I'm just like, you know, I get it. It was right before Y2K. So everybody and their brother was, you know, thinking the world was going to freaking end. So, you know, they're buying, you know, eagles and, you know, silver dollars. And I'm like,
so my guess is that we're going to go here to 580 eventually.
But yeah, it was the physical.
So maybe I'll start a zone.
And sell gold eagles,
we'll
and now you can buy it at freaking Costco.
One,
yeah,
47.
Yeah. Get a freaking piece of pizza and a freaking gold
bar.
We started with one.
I just pictured traders walking out of the mercantile exchange.
What do we have?
Order filled.
49.50. We starting one.
The greatest gold story I know.
Our pit was right next to your dad's when he was trading lumber. I mean, I used to see Hogan, all those guys flipping, you know, lumber around.
That was a great pit. It was so thin that
I never knew what was going on there, and I worked in the bellies.
Yeah. Oh, the bellies were when I started.
Testing 49.
Terry Lawrence was the center of attraction, and Jimmy
goes without me,
right next to him, and some of the great old traders were in there. You know, from the old meat companies. You know.
I never understood your prices, Jack. You guys moved like in 18 handles at a time. That's the thing that used to, like when you used to look at the board, you know, and I showed it before in Discord, JD, you know, the old boards at the Merc, and you'd see it move, and I'm like, what was that? And it moved like 5 handles, and I'm like, I couldn't, you know, it was hard to figure out, like, if you were watching a hog, you know, or a cattle, you knew what those ticks are worth. But when the lumber started moving, you're like, I have no idea who's making or losing what.
It was a great pit for learning how to do other things. In other words, if a guy come up to me and said, buy me 100 cars on a close, and I would tell him, you ain't going to get them bought unless you move the market to limit up. Okay.
Right.
The guy said, "Well, I need the 100 cars." I tell him, "Let me buy you 50 in the second option and 10 in the third option, or whatever." And then I tell him, tomorrow morning you can pick up those cars, and I can give me a month, and I'll get you out on the open and spread you out of them through a month, so that you'll probably ended up making more than just the break even you were looking for. And nobody ever told me no, but it taught me how to spread. And it taught me how to get long and short places, so nobody would have any idea what the hell's going on, who's buying, who's selling. And I'm doing it only to offset the spread I put on for this guy, so that he didn't get buried on a close, you know. And the customers love me for doing that. And it always worked out.
You know, spreading was so big. That's JD. That's that little video I sent you. I ran across that. That was an old special from like PBS. And I used to trade, Arlas was his badge. And he was probably the biggest cattle trader in there. And that guy used to trade 400 or 500 spreads, and, you know, just unbelievable. But it was such a huge part of what we did, because that's how you managed risk back then a lot, is either legging in or legging out of spreads, as opposed, I mean, you weren't sitting there putting a one lot on and saying, well, I'm going to risk 150 to 3. By the time you were calculating that, forget it.
Order filled.
So the only way you could
13.
try and limit risk sometimes is to, we used to use the term lay it off somewhere else. I mean, it was the truth.
I only did one.
Yeah,
Oh
if
my
you were
goodness,
long-
that's terrible, Antonio.
Yeah, yeah, that's the beauty of it, the margin.
Yeah.
Hey, if I could interrupt, guys, I don't mean to interrupt.
What's up, Hope?
But you guys were talking
Oh,
about.
Hoagie.
You guys are. What's up, guys? You guys were talking about the old gold pit and Jimmy Kolenis and Maury Kravitz. I don't know that, but Jimmy Kolenis just passed away like a week or two ago.
Oh, did he?
Oh, really?
Wow. Yeah. And my wife's uncle. Now, Jack, you may remember Pete Telemengos, Zap.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
He was in that gold pit.
One of
for
the
a
Greeks
long
I
time.
was talking about.
Yes, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. So you guys are making me wax nostalgic here while you're talking about it.
Yeah.
Can I tell
I
you
know
a nostalgic story? We had a guy in the pit, and he was
Order
he had
filled.
a lot of money, but everybody hated him. He was not a good guy. So he got divorced. And the story was, I don't know if it's true or not, but the story when he got divorced was that she got the house and he got the yard.
Yeah, she got the mine. She got the gold mine, and he got the shaft.
Yeah, exactly.
I still love that old
about
story
a
of
currency trader, Gary Wagner, who was getting divorced, and he had to
Order filled.
He was trying to reduce
Excellent.
his overall
Excellent.
wealth,
Excellent.
so he lost.
So this
tried
one
to lose,
has
like,
to go
millions in the
because I
currencies,
think we
and
only
he
have
did
one.
it. So that when
What
it
are we
came
looking
time
at?
for him to pay
Right
his wife, he
here,
almost had nothing left. And
we're
then
looking
once
at
it was settled,
92.
he made it all back.
Oh, that's awesome.
92.
The Borsellino story of him flying back after the crash is one of my favorites. Is that he had to get back to Chicago, and he had to fly on the Concorde. He spent 15 grand for a ticket to get on the freaking Concorde to get back from Switzerland to Chicago, so he could get in there for it was like I think if I'm right, Hogue, it was like the day after Monday,
Tuesday,
and he was in Switzerland, and he had to get on the freaking Concorde to get back. It's just that stuff you can't make up, man.
Yeah.
I always love the story about Maury Kravitz too. How he blew a large chunk of his fortune looking for the lost treasure of Genghis Khan.
Yeah.
I looked that up after you said that. It's crazy. I never realized that. They said, did you ever, and I didn't know this, did you hear how big the order stack of deck in the gold pit was when he was in there? Like Borsellino, I mean, he says
Order filled.
it was literally like
Goodness, look at that.
3 feet tall. The paper.
Cancel orders. Cancel all flying off. So we back in. Come on, man. Let me talk.
Hundreds of
Matching
millions of
orders.
dollars.
We never did that.
Okay, so they're talking about that, but let me talk right here. 75. I don't know. Yeah, it's right here. I do know. 64, 25, 27, 48. Boom. Back in the 300s. Ok, mi amor, vaya, no me, vaya. Yo hago todo lo que tengo que hacer, tía. Déjeme hacer mi... Excuse me. So let's get back to the boys in the room. So how much are we on the follower? Can you press here? No. Everything is done here. So the follower. Oh. Did we do the, oh yeah. This is the real one. This is the follower. 576. Let's see what we can do here. Wow. Antonio. 495. Oh. Let's do, oh my God. There's a big order at 13.4. A lot of orders. Look at that. 13, 500, 490 to go long. This is looking to get there and then go down. 500. Let's see if it goes down. If it goes down, will it go down? Will it go down? Will it go down? 505, 504, 500, 491. Wow. It's very good, Antonio. Very good. See 500 down. So where do I look to see if it's working to the upside or the downside? Right here, 499, 499, 495. They want to get in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Up at? Where do you have that?
2574.
2574. We do have a couple things lining up here.
Yeah,
582 is
but I would
very,
still
very
want
low.
to see the. Yeah, the highs should be taken first, though.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
See a little more
it's
structure
pretty unfinished
before.
business.
God, I mean,
Yeah,
I'm looking
would
at
not take any
590s,
trades.
650s. This is very, very bullish. Maybe we can get a little bit of a pullback off like this overnight. Overnight highs, and maybe we can hop into a long. We have not seen very many red candles though recently at all.
We have not.
No, we inversed head and shoulders.
We need
super hard today,
$2,000. How can we do it?
Will not stop bouncing. So I actually assume that shorts
come
are
on.
just very, very trapped. And maybe there's some short covering
you're right,
going
this
into. We got, Trump is speaking later tonight. Maybe there's some people short covering into that. He might have some bullish language, or he might say tariffs 100 times, and the market goes back down to 20,000. Who knows? But I think shorts have been very, very happy with the profits that they've had thus far on essentially what is only tweets, just tariff tweets. But like the impact of it has not really hit the market yet. It's just very, very fear-based, reaction-based. But shorts took advantage of it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's fine.
Narrative
I think you could
goes away. What is?
Bien,
how's the market
gracias.
gonna
¿Te
react?
comunicaste con Sandra o Alejandra?
As soon as that narrative goes away, because that's kind of all we really have right now.
It was such an easy pattern to pick out right from the get-go, too. You'd have an idea of when Trump was scheduled to speak, or when he was speaking. You'd see the market slowly creeping up when he started to speak, and they're just waiting for that trigger word, creeping up, waiting for the trigger word, and then gets smacked right in the face, straight to the ground. And that's been the pattern. And after that knee-jerk reaction to the downside, you can buy it back and ride it all the way back up to balance.
Se pierden.
Pretty
¿Qué es lo que hacen? Yo no sé.
Yeah, the V bounces. It's like V bounces and checkmark bounces have been very, very common. It's a hell of a ride, though. Tom, do you like shorts up here at around like 600s?
Yeah, I actually would be looking at the overnight high sweep.
Espero
So
que
if we
estés
SFP the overnight
luna
high,
de miel eterna.
here, maybe if we see nice candle closes though.
All right,
And
let's offer.
what I would be more interesting though. What I would be
todo
more
es
interested in is if we don't get the highs, because right at the moment the highs are really unfinished because we have not taken
solo hay que
the
tener
highs. We
paciencia y
just drop
listo.
now into the daily open together with the anchored VWAP. This would be a nice long opportunity.
Bendiciones, amiguita.
I actually have taken the short up here because we had this nice close below the weekly VWAP, so
in?
I'm actually in a short right now. Yeah, I'm in a short.
Okay.
But
Look at that.
yeah, you were talking, so I didn't want to
You just
interrupt
gotta
you.
tell me to shut up next time. And just like, hey, I'm short. I'm like, all right.
Yeah, but
What's your entry price?
this is just a scalp trade. My entry is at 564, so pretty high, up 400, pretty down, pretty
564.
low.
Damn.
Not a good
That's
entry.
A really good entry. That's a really good entry.
Just interrupt us.
See,
next time.
so this was the trade that didn't work right here. So now it's getting back there. So what do we see here? Red. So let's do
the short for 700,
5
630 or something.
in practice. Join us.
Order filled.
Where do you want your long
Where's
at?
down
Like,
here?
Can you do 75 quick?
Yeah, 5
Slowing down.
for daily open, which is at
Slowing down. What does that tell me?
Down there.
That we are gearing up to go
Would
up.
want to see a nice candle close still,
I see what you're saying.
then take it back into the overnight highs.
Oh man, it's already bouncy, isn't it? You already got out of your short, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
I closed it down at the lows basically.
Well done.
See profit, take profit.
Yeah, so
You guys
We
are
are
trading
basically-
very
Yeah,
well on
definitely.
Top Step TV today.
Pretty decent bull trend we're seeing right now. I'm looking at a 5-minute chart, but
I do like the idea of a
Stair-stepping.
pullback longs. Yeah, stair step has been great today, JD.
they're stepping all the way up, flagging all the way up.
Yeah.
Decent flags.
there's some pretty nice confluence as well at this zone. So definitely interesting for a scalp trade. Let's see.
Kind of getting a little 5-minute range up here too.
Risk 250, I believe,
Let's see.
last time. And we're going to risk
Maybe like 525.
this time. We are risking 250, the same thing. We are going to
Decent on the
step
1
up.
minute. What's the risk
350.
if you can- It would be pretty tight. Probably like a couple $100.
350
It's hard
right
to, JD,
there.
it's kind of hard to
We're risking
assess
350.
what risk should be.
And we
because
have
if
5.
we
I
have,
feel confident.
targets or take profits
1,
for the house
2.
account, and like they should kind of be correlated, right? So
Yeah.
it's like,
I see where it's doing.
you know, like I could risk.
We risk.
500,
We
but,
were down
like, what are we trying to make?
250.
filled.
Ah man, it got me out.
That's a trading combo.
I started playing. It got me out.
Yeah. So are you just placing?
But it
a
does
limit order down
work.
there?
It does
Not
work.
looking
Everything
for
works. As long as you.
Okay. Yeah, I would. I don't try to use limits so often. I think
Oh, got it.
basically getting an extra confluence by manually entering and waiting for closes is a little bit better. So if I'm away from my desk and I have a really great level, I tend to place limits if I know that I won't be at the desk, and then I also have to use a wider stop loss and have to be aware
It
of
hit
that.
that
But
level
if I'm there, I try to always
592.
enter by
What
market.
was 592?
I think there's so many different ways that traders
The
like
blue
getting
one.
into trades.
What is
Some
the
are
blue
market
one?
only,
Yesterday's
different apps,
value
some
area
custom
low.
orders exclusively.
Definitely.
That's where we hit.
Depends on
So
your system
let's get
and
ready
how
for a long
how much
on this candle,
price you wanna give up
because
for
we may
momentum
go to
or for
600.
confluence.
So again,
Yeah.
we go here.
You know,
Yes.
We
market orders might
go. It doesn't matter where we go.
be better for you trading.
But we
the
just go
S&P.
here,
Personally,
we
trading
go
the NASDAQ,
here,
I love using the
We
joint bid, joint ask, just because
go here.
it's
We
a little less
go
liquid,
there.
it's a little more volatile. Joining
We
bid, joining
go
ask.
here. We go
Just as
follow.
good a shot as
We
getting
go
filled,
save changes.
and with zero
We
slippage compared to a market order.
go trade. There we
Yeah,
go.
but that's something really cool on the futures, in my opinion, that you have such low fees if you enter by market. I'm also trading crypto markets on different exchanges and everything, and the fees are so high. So if I enter, for example, Bitcoin trade with similar position size like you have on futures, the fees are you can't believe what you're seeing.
It
Like,
started low.
you sometimes have 300.
I really
400
believe that
euros
is gonna
fees
go
with
up.
a single trade. It's unbelievable.
Wow,
Really?
that's a lot.
Yeah.
Let's see what orders come in here.
Sounds like robbery.
When
to
we
me.
see orders come in here with
Yeah,
10 or more,
Happy
look at 10 or more. Short.
exchanges.
This
that's
one
for
was
sure.
short.
Collecting those sweet
Yeah.
commissions.
Short.
Starting to get kind of a nice little 5-minute range here in the NQ. We're going to see if we can buy a sweep of the
Making
5-minute
our way
range.
down there.
Let's try
Is
it.
that
It's not
bidding?
really- Yeah, it's just working.
520. You're working on 520.
Yeah.
524. Got it.
Yeah.
I'm
So it's
still waiting
past the
for the
flush.
daily open.
Yeah. Like a little mini Dorito.
Yeah, we're
going on.
getting people having patience right here are getting rewarded. If you don't just enter the trend because you feel missed out, what we are doing right now is probably the best thing.
We're
To stay
going
patient.
to go long.
Yeah, there's a
One
lot
at
of
a time.
FOMO with these sort of markets.
Yeah,
You feel like
definitely.
you're missing the short, then you feel like
We
you're missing
fix
a
this.
V-bounce. It can be very tricky.
Yeah.
Would
Hopefully
you
this is
re-offer up
lower,
here,
not higher.
Tom, on another short?
Order, Phil.
Probably
good
not
question.
now. The highs
Order
are way
Phil.
too
Come on,
unfinished in
order
my
Phil.
opinion. So I
Fucker.
think possibilities of taking those highs is really high right now. That's why I'm interested in the long trade as well. If we would have swept the overnight high, I would probably be more interested in pullback shorts.
Order filled.
Right
There
now
we
I'm
go.
interested in pullback longs until the highs are taken.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That definitely makes sense. I also like 500s
Okay.
too. That's a possible pullback. That actually makes
Order
sense.
Do
filled.
another one.
Technical side. Just
And
'cause
we
it's
do
a
the last
floating
one.
5-minute range. Like, you
Times
can't-
Order filled.
We got times
over
3
there.
Yeah.
This down
Going
here at,
long.
like 500s is a little bit
going long.
more like
regular
resistance become
count.
support.
Going long.
So this floating 5-minute is interesting.
What the hell? Why are you all the
Yeah.
way up there? Who's telling you to go all the way up there? Our deal is over
Chat, how
here.
y'all trading
Nice
today?
if we could get this long.
Barely even said hi to chat today. Feel bad. We've seen a lot of new tomorrow
82.
chat, so let's get familiar.
Chat's
with each
having a
other.
Chat's having a good day too.
That's good.
75. We
I
going
mean,
to
chat
do
should be
1,
relatively
2.
happy. This is all the volatility that we've all been asking for months.
74
This
is
is incredible
closer than
Nice move
Two,
down to
right
start.
there.
We thought we were walking into a trend day down halfway,
Mm-hmm.
or first half hour into fast markets, and it just stopped. Sellers just dried up, drifted sideways for a little bit, and we started stair stepping higher.
Come on,
Perfect
baby.
uptrend.
Push.
Really
Push.
good.
Where are the buyers? Where are
NASDAQ
the
stair steps
buyers?
really clean sometimes. It can be a
Where
very,
are
very
the
good,
buyers? 60,
very good
50,
formation
60.
with like really tight
Come
wrist,
on,
too.
come on. 658.
Kind of
Come on. Hold the
displayed-
port. Hold the
displayed
port.
that,
Hold the port.
0-day J, our stock was just like 2 points too tight in NQ.
Mm-hmm.
But you can kind of see how like someone like Coach Dakota would start trades really well, right? You take a
This is
couple
not
like
moving.
$300, $400 losses in NQ, and then all of a sudden you hit, the mother load of a trade. It just takes a couple times to set up.
Yeah. It's just those wins have to be way bigger than the losses.
Way bigger. Yep.
Yeah.
Math is
Simple
gonna
math,
math,
right?
no matter what, Tom.
So easy.
Can't get
Yeah.
away from it. Cannot get away from it.
Yeah.
We were creeping up on yesterday's value area low once again, 20,582 in the NQ. Next up after that,
Nice.
952.
Wait, where is your previous day value area low?
2582.
2582. Okay, no, mine is at 2721, so it's perfectly lining up with the previous day AQ.
Okay.
Adam
Let me
Pence,
check
we have a
again.
Fed speaker. What time is
Everybody
the Fed
uses.
speaker?
It depends on what settings you use for the profiles, where you're going to find your
Yeah, probably.
value areas.
But 2720 is definitely a really nice level up here. It's the previous day value area low, together with the previous day AQ. It was the VWAP from
right
up
now.
here as well.
Let me double check.
Yeah.
We have Fed Williams
Definitely
speaking
interesting.
at 120, which is now o'clock.
For the half hour, so
Okay,
we in good,
that might be
good
why.
hands. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
Yeah,
come
let me
on, come on.
check. Is there
Come on,
any
I'm pushing you up.
Yeah,
67,
Williams, Fed speaker,
50.
is starting to chit
Come
chat.
on, come
so that's
on,
probably why
come
we're
on.
getting really
Yeah,
range
yeah,
bound
yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Autofill.
Autofill.
And then algos will
Autofill,
probably
I
start
feel
peeling off
better
the
now.
when he's speaking.
Feeling better.
With that being said, I still
Feeling
think
better.
that AC to
A
600s
lot
could
better.
be a cheap short.
We're risking
You could probably get at least
bells
20
and
points
whistles
out of
here.
it, just off a rejection.
Okay. We should be there in just a minute or two, right?
Very close. I still like the I still like longs too, though. That's the thing with the range. If you're a range trader, both sides look good. You just got to get your bias aligned, and you just got to win that coin
Yeah.
flip.
It's the tough part.
It is.
Order
It's
filled.
A big portion of range trading.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it, and I'm doing it.
High, I would definitely
Yeah, I'm doing it.
At a retest right here at that place, but
I'm doing it. I'm doing it, and I'm doing it.
Yeah,
Slowly.
what's happening? Yeah, exactly.
Go with the flow.
Taking the highs. Yeah, that's just this unfinished business.
Oh, he's gonna crack that.
Is that a movie?
That's how what?
Business?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
What
are you going to do?
Yeah.
It's like the sequel to a movie.
Yeah. This long would have been beautiful, but sometimes we just don't get it. It is what it is.
It's a game of ticks. There are a couple points.
How we do this? How we do this? We are 75 away from 500. Can we do it?
Certainly got this day green again.
Oh man, the 200, 629, 80s will get you. 80s will get you. 80s will get you. Come on, Antonio. Think about it. It's all you. It's all you, my friend. It's all you. You can do this.
Of like a strong 5-minute candle into our level. So if we can maybe print a new 5-minute in the next 3 minutes and maybe hang around this range a little bit and find something on a 30-second or 1 minute that just shows that it's going to tighten up here, then I think there could be a good short on the table. But I would hate to put in a short and just have this steamroll us completely, because we're counter trend big time. We stair stepped 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This could be the 5th time. I mean, a cup and handle looks really good right now too.
Got it. Freaking do.
Order filled.
Looks like it's poised to
wants to pop.
grab some liquidity up here.
What we're trying to do is get 607. Can we get 607? 1 and 2.
There's a little bit.
Took out this
You're
previous
still
high.
thinking longs.
Order filled.
I was muted. Oh no.
Oh
so overnight high taken.
502.
Short again, huh?
Oh.
502. Yes.
No trades.
I love the market.
Seems like there's not going to be a shot.
Oh, and if I would have left it here, 631.
Next long and is maybe 590s.
Oh my gatos.
On another pullback.
Oh my gatos, this is great. How can we make 200?
Could be really interesting.
Did he get those?
Very strong 5-minute candle.
3, 4, 5.
But if we still like longs, then maybe 588s is the new stair step high, and then you can try to push into 655.
781.
Or if we get consolidation
72,
up here in a short
81,
frame,
and 7.
Short.
Wow.
I would probably still lean longs though.
Antonio,
still bullish?
Slowly grinding. This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm looking
all that work you put in.
At the overnight high
working. Oh my goodness. How we knocked on the door of prosperity.
Trades right now here.
9 from that. You recovered that in 2 days. That is my respects to you, Antonio. My respects. My respects, Antonio.
Let's see.
2, 7.
This definitely is a nice.
Wow, Antonio.
Here, so, yeah.
You are
just holding above that 600 level.
Advanced value system. Wow, and if I would have left that runner, if I only would not chop myself out.
So the 5-minute candle here.
So we got 2,000 in the bank to work with, according to this.
Made statistics.
We got 49 and 48, 2,000 in the bank.
When candles open,
can we do it? Can we get to 150 bucks? Can we pay it? Can we do it?
70% probabilities that
what was the count? What was the count? Let's see. What was the count?
Candles, I think it's even like 82%. So some secrets right here.
7, 14, 21, 8.
So on 5-minute candles, if they don't form a wick, then it's 82% probability that markets come back down and form the wick. And I thought this
I need to make 800 a day. 800.
Okay.
And that's any kind of wick at all.
How can we make that?
It doesn't have to be a certain size wick.
Okay,
No,
so we're
yeah.
coming back down.
Interesting.
The higher the candle, so I think on 30-minute candles, I did not make the statistics, or did not complete my statistics, but I'm sure it's over 90% probability to form wicks on both sides. So no, that's the wrong formulation. So it's over 90% chance that if you don't form a wick on one side, that you come back and still form it. So.
Oh, bears are coming in a little bit here. Do we like any longs on pullbacks here?
Right back to
I
80.
definitely do.
575s are kind of interesting. 570s.
I'm going to tell you something. Somebody on the chat was...
God, NASDAQ, you are just so difficult
70s.
sometimes.
Sorry, not this one.
70s.
Where are you?
Love to
right
fake
here.
out.
Somebody in chat was saying the what a rejection. Yes, I'm going to tell you why.
Trying to see if Tom wants to.
You see this bad trade, this right here, this bad trade.
Yeah, I
this bad trade right here. What happened? That was the 500 mark. So since the market decided to go to 579, which was the next level, that is why we happen to have this huge rejection after it hit the 200 here at 629.
If this doesn't close, this closes like this right here, I won't enter.
Yeah. I wonder, since we can't get back above 600s, is this like a new stair step to the flip side? And now we're forming a new.
Yeah. Staying patient.
You think we just put in the top? Is that what you're saying, Goldie?
Maybe, possibly, yeah. I mean, a stair step. All you need for a stair step is consolidation, down, consolidation, and then. So it's entirely possible.
Any of these.
Yeah.
Say that about any of these other highs that we put in on the way up. All these swing highs. They always get consumed by another swing low, though, right?
Oh man, I feel like I've just not executed well today at all. It's just there's so many good opportunities in NASDAQ.
569.
Most of the time.
Okay, so I'm going to try something. It says 569 here, right? I'm going to try right here. Clear.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Clear.
Can't have fear in the marketplace.
Clear.
Scared traders don't make money.
Yeah.
Go here.
What's the case for a short right here, Tom?
So we're going for a short.
I just took it.
Times 5.
I'm
short.
Took it.
Order filled.
So we are short. Practice account. Shut up, man. Shut up. I'm trying to talk.
Saw this nice
Where are you?
Back into high and entered.
What do we get, Dolby?
70s?
Oh, yo.
Yeah.
So we are short.
Tom.
According to this,
it's not that bad in Germany. It's a 6-second delay, Tom. that was a lot more than 6 seconds.
Yeah, I already de-risked my trade, so I have stop loss at profit.
We are getting some comments here from Williams talking about details of tariffs are key to understand. We're going to see some impact on inflation from tariffs, and he also adds that there's still a lot of uncertainty how tariffs will play out. So I'm just watching for a hot biscuit, but these are just some of the common comments. Back to you guys.
All right, we're going to offer 589s in addition to our 570s. So we're in this for the long run. Let's really see if this can get above 600.
Order filled.
At like 605.
What happened?
We'll see if we can short another.
Did we get
the theory is that we are forming a new stair step here.
Yeah, you just read.
And that they're going to start talking about tariffs.
Does it feel like everyone with any type of audience now is trying to test out what type of impact they're going to have on the market by saying the T word?
Holy macaroni!
You want to know how much clout they have with the market?
Crap!
Who can move the market the most?
Who can move the market the most?
He did it!
By saying tariff.
He freaking did it! He did it! Holy crap!
Yeah.
Holy moly! I love it.
550s. We are in a very, very good situation.
This is freaking
long term.
Does it look like a strong
insane.
or candle?
Yeah, that's why I closed. I had closed my short, but this was
That's a
probably
3-bar
the wrong.
reversal.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. The 5-minute looks really nice for short trades, so this could actually be like a
Wow.
massive day trade even.
Wow.
Overnight high, really important with this business up here that's now finished. Really nice close. Even took out the liquidity with another.
I learned this from.
But I
One
personally closed
penny.
this short for like 400 or something.
One penny trader or something like that.
Great trade.
Yeah.
Been a good half hour for you, Tom. First trade was what? 7?
Yeah.
Yeah. Our guests have been trading very, very
So
well
we got
today.
this at
Very, very well
98.
today.
We got this at 48.
How
I'm
much
gonna go
up right
short
now, or?
with 5. I have
Order
conviction
filled.
on this.
Just in the last half hour. In your 2 trades here.
Oh, I think 800 or 900.
We're going somewhere here because this is a fair value gap, and I bet we're gonna go
I want
hit
to see if we
16.
can get below 550s and then 532s are 2 big levels. Get below that, then we were in very, very good shape. That's kind of a break of a 5-minute range. I'm still very comfortable offering 590s.
So still working an offer for a second contract.
Second.
Short.
At 589.
Got it. Risking new high or a high above this candle. The swing high.
Yep. Yeah, we're just saying we're just making the bet that hey, NQ is not going above 600s. That's basically the thesis.
Gotcha.
And that we're betting on a new stair step.
Want to see some movement real fast.
Where the
Yeah.
Gemini
Well,
is
listen,
that?
it sells off pretty quick.
Where's it?
I mean, God,
Let's go back here.
You know, I feel like our take profit is in like a very reasonable place. And
Yeah,
that's
right
like
here.
Up to
Bam.
$2,000. That's like a 100-point trade. And it
Bam.
feels like a very reasonable target.
And bam. Sorry about all this,
We've seen
people,
those moves
but I
happen
need
in just a
to
couple seconds. The last couple.
tell
the
you
last few
something.
Oh
minutes.
yeah.
Okay, this is very important right here. For each and every one of you watching my channel, this deserves a like and a subscribe. Because every time I'm going to come in here, it's for you to make money, for you to learn, for you to invest time in what I'm saying. We're coming down here, okay? We're coming down here to 493, but that's not where I'm going to place my take profit. My take profit is 516. So I'm going to write it here. 564. 561 we're short. It's let me see, 561. 561. I made a mistake. Don't tell me you don't make mistakes. We all make mistakes. 561. Short. Boom. Okay. Short. 561. Where is 561? 5.
Here's what's happening in your brain when everything seems to fall into perfect timing. Your brain waves shift from the busy beta
560 short, right there.
alpha waves. That's when you become more receptive, more aware of opportunities. It's like tuning your radio to exactly the right frequency to receive the station.
There's a lot of work. Hope you appreciate. Okay, so what took place? 500 right over here, about here, did not get enough sellers to short it at 500, but it got enough sellers once it got to the 200 right up here at 582. I'm short from 561, which is really late, and we still got a lot of time in the clock for the bulls to make a run for this, and possibly 709. which I wouldn't doubt. Okay, I wouldn't doubt the bulls trying to make a run for that. And it looks like they want to go over there now. So that short is bye-bye. So that's why we need this thing to save my and the tilt. We got the tilt, we got the trace, and we got the positions. That's all we need right now. So this is not working. Why? There's hungry people out there looking betting 576, so we're getting out.
Order filled.
We're getting out, right? We're back to 134, so now we're back with confidence, and we're going to go 7 long.
Order filled.
Okay? We're going long with 7. What do we do when we go in with 7? The first 4
Order filled.
What happened? I wasn't fast enough, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, we're going up. So let's do it again. 7, 5, 6, 7, long. Okay,
Order
join
filled.
bid. We bid. Okay, so first thing we do, we move this one up. All right, we move it up. You're going to say, why don't you already have it over there? Because
order filled.
I'm doing this on the move, on the spot. So look at, we back to that. Why? Because over here, we happen to have this setting. The setting is 76, take profit. With whatever I have, take 76. Now let's put 85, just to make an example. That when the volume is high, you can do that. Put attention. Like I said, we're going back to 200 and we're going back to here. So we're going to stop playing around and we're going to get with the program. The program is right here. The program is right here. The program is right here. Platform, practice, we're copy trading. 50. We go here to the arrow. We go to February. We go to follow. We put save changes. We're in. We go leader 50 real account. We move this out of the way. We go back here. We look. We analyze. Okay. So now we're in the real account. Let's look at all the players. Who are the players? The Heiken Achis. The regular candles on the 5. The Renko chart. Okay. And the regular 15-minute with all the bells and whistles. All right, let's do this. What we got? Let's look. Let's put you down a little bit more. Oh, another thing I'm going to do right now is save this. And I'm going to put it save layout. Save freaking layout. Please, save it. All right. Now, let's get back to business. We're in real account, Columbine. We need to line up a ducks. So if we're going to go in with 3, we need to save this thing. 75. Very good. Save. Back to business. Rinse and repeat. Fix this up. Okay. We fixed this one up. Better. Okay. We fixed this one up. What we got? 4 minutes on the 15-minute candle. Well, how does he look? He looks pretty good. Would you like to go in? I like to stop. I like to look at my options. What is the 1 minute saying? It's green. This freaking thing is green. Let me see something. 30 seconds. 30 minutes. 30 seconds. Okay, we still got 3 minutes. Black, black. Cross a line, go lower, long. What are the boys saying? What are the boys saying? Where are they? Right here. What are they saying? They always say something interesting, get you entertained. While I set up the plan for us to go long. 76.85. I like it. This one is nice. I like it. Let's go long.
Okay. So
Order filled.
I would have
Let's
re-entered the
go.
short.
Let's get out of here.
But like this, moving down first. Yeah.
Oh
now
crap!
from the wick
Come
to the
on, baby.
upside.
Come on.
Did you see
right
what we
here?
did?
Order filled.
We descended
Okay.
down on this new 1 minute
That's
candle
very good.
without getting a move to the upside first, so there was no wick, and that's why I did not enter the short, because I knew
Okay,
that we
where
will
did we
form
get
it
it?
later.
Oh, you do it in again.
Might need to do like a YouTube video on this wick strategy you got.
Yeah. It's
Just
really
little,
helpful.
5
Like
minute,
right here, it
Oh,
saved me
you're
again.
not doing it here. Why?
little
I want you to
5-minute
save
video
my trace.
on how you read candlesticks. Very interesting. Maybe someone out there will add it to their toolbox of trading strategies.
Definitely. So
you like shorts
2
now
minutes
though, or
until
no?
this 5 minute. Yeah, I like shorts really much here, especially if this 5 minute candle closes like this. It would be beautiful. Really nice high, really nice. Yeah, I will probably enter a short here.
I'm looking at a 1 minute chart, so
it could be beautiful.
Totally reliable, but this is looking like a lower high right now.
Yeah, I did enter a short up there.
Decent rejection off that 600 again. You've got a
Towers at though.
Depict in the chat. I see your question.
Good.
I'm gonna see if we can
You're
offer
making too much sense, Depict. Making too much sense. I'm gonna take a screenshot of your question, Depict, and send it to Jack in the back.
Alright, I'm gonna see if we can. We're gonna offer 606s. It's just I don't even know about that. It's a good range though. All right, short.
Yeah,
606.
I'm out. Nice.
Cool,
Short
maybe.
606. Did you say 606, Dolby?
Yep, the 606, 20,000, 606. Stop at new highs.
Short a Chicago zip code.
606. I kind of want to offer another one at 624.
You know what our risk is?
This 5 minute candle will close so bullish though.
So where we going? We're going to test that 625 again.
You know our risk is of this previous swing high, so
we're offering 623s. Just get red. Kind of a megaphone here, actually. Short time frame megaphone. If we can get 569s, that would be wonderful.
Yeah, I'm staying out of this. This 5 minute candle closed way too bullish for me.
Make me nervous, Tom.
Yeah, but it's a valid idea, so we're at resistance here.
We just have to stay below that 600.
Yep.
Yeah.
We were seeing rejection there for quite a bit, and now we're starting to see some acceptance above, but we're really just chopping right around it. We're in below it right now. Two more sellers stepping in.
Okay.
Got a couple minutes till Ho comes in for his afternoon recap.
They're gonna make this agonizing for shorts.
This looks way too bullish.
You said you're working a second
this 1
offer?
minute candle.
623.
23.
Oh, yo. That's not looking too good for you.
We got smoked.
Filled. 23s are filled.
Yeah, that was like 500. Let's look at this back.
Stopped out.
Oh yeah, we're for sure stopped out. Longs were the play.
Yeah, sure. But we did not bounce off of any, like we front run our level, or basically like the support levels down here. Market just didn't want to take the liquidity as well. Yeah, it was pretty hard. I mean, the shorts were valid ideas, so it were actual setups, but the longs were, you can't just enter a long right down here without, like, this is so unfinished. I think this is a pretty lucky long if you get into this, because most of the time this will get taken out sooner or later.
God, where did we get stopped at? That was a close one too, I think.
But now actually this will be a really nice short. I can already see it. So if we later on, yeah,
23 3/4 we got stopped, so that ran like an extra 5 points against us.
Can you see my screen?
Game of ticks. It's a game of ticks.
We can see your screen, Tom. Yeah.
So, okay. So what I would be looking at right here is, because we are ranging, we formed this nice supply-demand zone, or whatever you want to call it. I call this zone supply-demand zone. And if we can break it to the downside, like for example like this, I would definitely look at a back test of it and take the short down there, because it's also like the daily open right here. It's okay, this Fibonacci does not count anymore, but it's also the VWAP. If you look at it, the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price, pulled from right up here, like this major high on the 30-minute time frame, this right here at the 1 minute right here. So this could actually be a really nice short trade if we manage to flip it. And on the other side, if we manage to break out on the highs, I would definitely look for a long trade. But in my opinion, this is right here a range. No trades for me in this range.
Yep.
Range bound.
We might have been too tight on the stop again, JD. Already trading down to 590.
Yep. Back below 600. Seller stepping in. Strong reversal candle on the 3-minute chart too. That's all right.
Wow, we're so close.
We're gonna step aside and we're gonna bring Hogan for an afternoon recap. We're gonna set up the Power Hour team for success in just a minute. Who's coming in for Power Hour? We got Andre Dolby. Isaac Rivera is coming in to say hello. We're gonna make up some of these losses. Not down big. House count's down a little bit of dough today. Been choppy. But nothing we can't manage. Tom, thank you so much for joining us. Always appreciate your time. Appreciate your insights. Tell us about your strategy, your process, and hey, you made a little money here. Congratulations passing.
Yeah.
Those combines. Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Thank you very much. Yeah, was a pleasure being here today.
Yeah, we're gonna have you back again for sure. Very soon.
Thank you very much.
You're the ultimate dorm room trader here right now. All right, guys, we are going to take a short break. Hogue is coming back for the afternoon recap in just a second. Then we're going to dip into Power Hour to end out the day. Turn around Tuesday. Here we go. Top Step TV. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
big banger.
Instead, she recognized
Crap,
that
man.
information and she was in a state of transformation, just like a butterfly. The key is learning to trust your intuitive guidance. Your intuition isn't some mystical force. It's your nervous system picking up information from the quantum field. When you get that gut feeling, that
You're gearing up for a good
conscious mind.
Sorry. So let's do the power hour now. We're going to close this segment and we're going to get back to power hour. Yes, sir? Let's do that.